Good morning, everybody. It is the final day here in Chicago. We've got one full day, like a long day tomorrow, but this is our final full 24 hours here in Chicago. We get to enjoy. Bless you. I am here in the car with Nancy. There's Matt and Chris. They're taking us driving here. We are headed to Limitless Coffee. It was this. Oh, cool. So Nancy had to stop and get a charger cable. We just stopped at 7-Eleven real quick. We are heading to Limitless Coffee in Chicago. We're gonna be doing a whole bunch of tour shit. What was Friday? Was our tourist day when we were running around Chicago, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
So Friday was like kind of running around downtown. Now we're gonna hit Northside Chicago. Go hit a bunch of stuff over there. Millennium Park, the Cloud Gateway. Is that what it's called?
Something along the lines of that.
I don't know, the famous bean. We're gonna go check that thing out. We're gonna go to Millennium Park. Just a whole bunch of things all up in that area. Let's get this going.
One, two, three, jump!
Okay, so while Nancy finds the perfect Instagram post, this is probably the best time to say, hey, follow Nancy on Instagram. She's gonna be linked down below. I'm gonna try some coffee here. I went with the straight up latte. It's delicious.
How is it?
It's damn good coffee, solid coffee. Matt just got his in, the same thing as Nancy's, but look, his turn.
They made mine a boy color.
They did. They wanted you to feel comfortable drinking glittery coffee.
Yeah. They hooked me up.
And then Chris got something, but it has cinnamon on it.
It was a butter, and it has like cayenne and stuff.
Oh, so it's got a little kick to it. Check out Chris's.
This coffee.
Delicious. Okay, now it's gone. We just left coffee, made it across Chicago, deeper into the city. Now we're heading to Wells Street Market. We're gonna go get some breakfast. I mean, like, we tried. The problem is it's Labor Day, it's a holiday. A lot of shit's gonna be closed. This has been crazy weather out here. We are definitely not used to having to deal with this. It goes from bright and sunny and 90 degrees to like a little bit cooler with rainfall, and like that's been our entire trip here, which has kind of been crazy. Lunch at Hub 51 was great little brunch menu that they had going on there. Got a couple drinks, that was fun. We are currently heading to Millennium Park. To the Nutella Cafe. That's pretty good. I got this iced mocha latte, quite delicious. Nancy's still working on her gelato. You guys can see a review of some of the stuff coming up on Reckless Eating here. We're about to take a lift back over to the car, and then I think we're heading to a botanic garden. Guys, the Chicago weather is so weird. It is pouring on us now. We absolutely have thunder. Everything is going. It's just dark. Woo! This back and forth change is something really strange. So we scratched. Going to the botanical gardens today. We'll go hit that tomorrow before we leave. The weather is just not like walking outside through a garden type weather. So
sorry.
It's okay. We're scratching the gardens. We're going to go hit Sprinkles Cupcakes right now. Have a little good time before we go get some more food. We got a pizza pot pie coming up here pretty soon.
Woo!
She is
I'm
excited.
so excited.
Let me see that Bullet Club umbrella in fucking use right now. Look at that. Getting our money's worth.
Heartbreak Hotel. Oh god, imagine like the two giant spiders like fighting in your middle. Totally have a
All right, so we just finished up having a drink up at the Signature Room, 96 floors above Chicago. That was super cool. And now we just found ourselves a cupcake ATM.
Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a triple cinnamon. I like the cinnamon sugar.
Yeah, let's do it. Woo! Woo! Here it comes. Yes, here it comes.
it's so cool.
It's coming for us.
What the hell is
Yes.
that? So it's $4.60 for a cupcake
Sounds about right.
out of an ATM. Yeah, no, it's a pretty fair price. It's more expensive actually.
What? That was awesome.
Like right on this side.
So, Chris got one, Nancy and I got one. Now Matt.
It's too
Matt
good.
is up.
Trying to be good.
That was a really cool thing. They have an actual store inside there that we didn't walk into, but definitely the cupcake ATM was badass.
That's so good.
It's so good. Oh, why is it always so wet here? Oh, shit. God damn. We just made it to this McDonald's. Whew. Just got our name in at the Chicago Pizza and Oven Grinder Company, a little tiny place with a really big line. So we've got 90 minutes to kill. That's gonna be delicious. They got a pizza pot pie that is going to be the thumbnail. Might be the thumbnail. You guys may have clicked on this pizza, and this may be what we're all leading up to. So excited to see it. Matt walked in to go use the restroom and walked by. He said every table he walked by, it was absolutely amazing. So I'm ready. I know she's ready. They're totally ready. We've been kind of eating all day, but it's been a damn good day of food. Right now we're gonna kill like 90 minutes or so. There's an Oz park, like Wizard of Oz themed park that we're gonna walk to right now, and we'll check that out.
It's gonna be in our vlog.
Yeah, no shit, guys. This house is dream house material. Like, it looks like more of an office than an actual house,
I
but
did that one.
look at this. There's Chris's fucking top of his head.
It's so beautiful.
Look,
You have the coolest house ever.
look at this. Beautiful place. Look at all this stone. Oh, that is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This front door is just amazing. So yeah, 3-story, got a little basement, up. Little red door. We're in this little tiny town called Lincoln Park, which is where the Chicago Oven Grinder Pizza Co. thingy is. This place is amazing. Like, we just had like a little 0.4 mile walk from the restaurant down to this park, which is right here. And like, Dream City material.
Whole work.
He's so good.
So because of these crazy downpour rains, like these streets are just completely flooded and then sidewalks become useless.
Look,
Check this
Cowardly
out.
Lion.
There is the Cowardly Lion.
I wouldn't have known until I put my foot in it.
Yeah, seriously.
I'm oblivious as fuck.
Look at this lake. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. We're at Oz Park. So it has taken us at least a full 90 minutes just to get to our seat. We're finally here. Look at this.
I'm good. Yeah.
Oh, there it
No, it
is.
just feels good to sit down.
Pizza pot pie.
Look how cute this
The half pounder and the 1 pounder. You guys want to do a 1 pound pizza pot pie challenge right now?
Yes, I would. I think I'm gonna get a salad. It's Instagram time. We all know the drill. Thankfully, Tom's not with us. He's such an asshole when it comes to doing Instagram food pictures.
Guys, this is a flatbread. Look at the size of this thing. Like, I'll put my hand next to it. Sorry guys, I'm blocking your picture. That's like 4 times the size of my hand. Oh my God. Pizza pot pie. I'm about to take a bite. I'm ready. Let's do this. Oh, look at this bad boy. We're gonna take this little corner off of here. I want this little piece happening here.
It's hard to break into it, but once you get into it.
You see him, he's up on a high chair and I'm just like last time. Oh, yeah, he's so cute. They're feeding him the pot pie pizza, his little baby over there.
Whoa. The sausage and that stands out so much. Matt, you're right. It is cheese heavy. But that bread is so good. Look how. Oh. It looks like a giant piece of pizza pile on a plate. And it is, but it's delicious. Oh.
So good.
All of us are so pleased. I'm going to put you guys down now so I can enjoy this. Thank you guys so much. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up this full adventurous day. We just got back here to the Airbnb. Everyone's just kind of getting settled and relaxed. We've had a crazy long day between the hot weather, the cold weather, the rain, the wind, the food, the drinks, the walking, the driving, the Ubers. Man, I feel like we saw so much of the city today, which is cool. We leave at 7 p.m. tomorrow, which means we got to be at the airport about 5 p.m. We're going to hit as much stuff as we can before then. But we're all kind of tired, worn down a little bit. It's been quite an adventurous past 5 days. I'm pretty excited to go home. How are you doing?
I'm in bed already.
Are you excited to go home though?
Oh, yeah, I love Chicago.
Chicago is amazing. The city we were in earlier, Lincoln Park, or town, I don't know what you want to call it. 5 out of 5.
It's that was the most beautiful neighborhood I've ever been in.
That was absolutely perfect. Spending tomorrow morning packing everything up. I'm getting everything charged up right now. We're kind of getting everything ready. We've got to be out of here by 11 tomorrow out of our Airbnb, but we're pretty sure that we're going to be leaving earlier than that point, so we can try and get stuff done and go to see some things. It's been an incredibly successful trip, from the food that we've eaten to the places that we've gone. The fan meetup yesterday was so much fun, guys. I think I said it yesterday. That fan meetup was absolutely amazing. Had such a blast. Thank you guys for joining. Just such a good time. Yes, okay. I I think that's gonna wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you guys on the next video.